everyone, so this is the summary of the poem "O Captain, My Captain" by Walt Whitman. So these are the important points about this poem. This poem is an elegy written about the death of American President Abraham Lincoln. This poem was written in 1865 and published in the pamphlet sequel to Drum Taps. This poem is about the poet's mixed feelings of joy and loss. He feels delighted at the successful conclusion of American Civil War, which happened during 1861 to 1865. But he also feels pain and sorrow at the death of the President of America, who was assassinated by an actor, John Wilkes Booth. Abraham Lincoln was against the inhuman treatment meted out to slaves in southern states of America, and he wanted to abolish slavery. He was appreciated and honored by all Americans. Here, captain is an allusion to Abraham Lincoln and ship symbolizes America. So this is the text of the poem. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every wreck, the prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting. While follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. So when the poem opens, the poet is addressing the captain of the ship because he is rejoicing at the successful conclusion of American Civil War. And he means to say that American Civil War has ended, and the poet along with all American people is celebrating this victory. And the ship is near to the port after surviving all the storms and the difficulties during this journey. And the eyes of all the people standing on the shore are fixed upon this brave and daring ship. But soon poet notices that the captain of the ship, Abraham Lincoln, is lying cold and dead on the deck of the ship. And there are drops of blood there. Okay. And poet is full of pain and sorrow at the death of the president who is dead and who can't participate in people's celebration of the victory of northern states. Come to the next lines. O Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung. For you the budgel trills. For you the bouquets and ribbon wreaths. For you the shore a crowding. For you they call, the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here, Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your hat, it is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. So now the poet is pleading to the dead captain to rise and hear the church bells and to see how people are waving the flag of America in his honor. So these people are also playing budgel for him to show their love and respect for their president. So they are also carrying bouquets and garlands with them. All American people are standing on the seashore and eagerly waiting for their captain of the ship. So in the next line, poet imagines of putting his arm under the head of the dead captain and addresses him as his father. So it is very hard and difficult for him to believe that Abraham Lincoln is dead now, and he feels that it is like his personal loss. Come to the next lines. My captain doesn't answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. Exult, O shores, O ring, O bells. But I with mournful tread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen and dead. Fallen cold and dead. So in these lines, the poet says that the captain is not answering to his questions, and his lips are not moving. His lips are pale and are not moving because he is dead and he has lost his consciousness. The captain doesn't even feel poet's arm under his head, and there is no pulse in his body. The ship has safely reached to the shore and its journey is complete. So by journey, poet means Civil War, which happened in America. So their difficult times is over now and they have proven victorious. So in the next lines, poet says that let people enjoy the victory and ring church bells, because poet is immersed in lot of grief and is walking mournfully on the deck of the ship because he is not able to participate in this celebration because he is deeply grieved at the death of the President Abraham Lincoln. And when he is walking on the deck of the ship, he can see the cold and dead body of Abraham Lincoln. And here the poem ends.